In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resize an Instagram post design to story size in Figma. By the end, you'll have your square Instagram post converted to a vertical 1080 by 1920 Instagram story, with the layout adjusted so everything is clear and within a safe viewing area. First, open your Figma file. On the canvas, locate the Instagram post frame. This is typically a square 1080 by 1080 pixels. Click once on the frame name so the entire frame is selected, not just a layer inside it. You can confirm the size in the right side panel under Width and Height. Press Ctrl or Command+D to duplicate it. This creates a copy you can work on while keeping the original intact. You'll see the duplicate appear next to the original. Keep your selection on the duplicated frame so the next change only affects the copy. With the duplicated frame selected, go to the right side panel. In the Width field, type 1080. In the Height field, type 1920. This is the Instagram story size. Press Enter to apply. The frame will become tall and vertical. It's normal if your elements look bunched up near the top or aren't filling the full height yet. The content hasn't been rearranged, only the frame size has changed. Now adjust the layout to fit the taller story format. Start by repositioning elements vertically. Click and drag your headline, images, buttons, and other layers so they flow from top to bottom. Keep key items centered horizontally so the design feels balanced. If something lands too close to the edge after resizing, drag it inward to maintain consistent margins. Increase the spacing between sections if needed. As you move down the frame, add breathing room between the title, any images or illustrations, the main message, and any call to action. Aim for clear separation so each section is easy to read on a phone screen. If two items feel cramped, drag the lower one down a little until the spacing looks even and intentional. Resize background images so they fully cover the new height. Click the background image or color layer. If it's an image, drag its top or bottom edges until it reaches the full 1920 pixel height of the frame, and extend the sides as needed so there are no gaps. If it's a solid or gradient fill on the frame itself, make sure it spans the entire frame so you don't see any unintended empty areas. After resizing, quickly scan the top and bottom to confirm there's no visible edge or banding. Just make sure importance text stays within the safe zone. Avoid placing headlines, logos, or buttons right against the top or bottom edges of the story. Nudge them inward so there's clear padding above and below. This helps prevent cropping and keeps your message readable on different devices. If a line of text now feels too long for the taller format, bring related elements closer together vertically and keep the most important words centered and away from the edges. Continue fine-tuning until the vertical composition looks balanced. Move supporting elements, like icons or decorative shapes, so they guide the eye down the design rather than across it. Keep the focal point, often the headline or main image, high enough to catch attention, with secondary details following beneath it. If any element becomes too small within the taller layout, select it and scale it up slightly so it still has presence without overwhelming the frame. At this point, you do a final pass from top to bottom. Check that the background fully covers the frame, each section has comfortable spacing, and every important element sits well inside the safe zone, away from the top and bottom edges. The design should now read naturally in a vertical scroll. That's it. Your Instagram post has been duplicated, resized to 1080 by 1920, and adjusted to fit the story layout. The setup is complete and ready to use as an Instagram story design.